In today's video, you will learn how to recover unsaved draft emails in Outlook Desktop. Once you are on the Outlook dashboard, you can begin the recovery process with confidence. Outlook is designed with built-in safeguards that help protect your work, even when an email is not sent or saved properly. The first place to check is the Drafts folder. Outlook frequently saves drafts automatically while you are typing, which means an unfinished or unsaved email may still be stored there without any extra action on your part. Locate the Drafts folder in the left-hand panel where your email folders are listed. Click on Drafts to open it, then take a moment to scroll through the messages shown. Look carefully through the list, as drafts are often saved quietly in the background and may not always appear exactly where you expect. If the missing email is there, you can open it and continue working right away. If the draft is not found in the Drafts folder, there is still another important place to check. Sometimes drafts are accidentally deleted, especially if a window was closed or an action was taken too quickly. In this case, the deleted items folder is the next stop. This folder temporarily holds emails that were removed, giving you a chance to recover them before they are permanently deleted. Click on Deleted Items in the same left-hand panel. Once inside, slowly scroll through the list of messages. It is important to take your time here, because draft emails may not appear at the top of the list. Depending on recent activity, the missing draft could be mixed in with other deleted messages. Carefully reviewing the contents increases the chances of spotting it. When you find the draft email you were looking for in the Deleted Items folder, the next step is to restore it. Look toward the top ribbon of the Outlook dashboard. In this area, you will see a button labeled Recover. Clicking this button begins the restoration process. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm that you want to recover the draft and return it to its proper location. After completing this action, the draft will be restored, allowing you to continue editing or send the email as needed. This process ensures that your work is not lost and highlights how Outlook uses folders like drafts and deleted items as safety nets. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.